All right, so let me show you what we have going on here. We are restoring these 3 double hung windows back to working order. They had some metal liners that somebody had installed at one point, these kind of metal tracks that they had. So they'd taken out this metal parting bead and then they mashed the pulleys that were in there flat in order to get that in there. Well, those didn't work out and the windows are pretty much inoperable. So we sourced some new old stock pulleys, and we got a few different kinds here from our local rebuilding center. This is actually kind of an upgraded version from the old kind, and this is what we're going to use. Nice thing about this is it has this cover on it, so you can paint it and the sash cord will just run out here. We'd like to use sash chain, but sash chain's a little bit too thick to ride freely through there. So we're going to use the original old school sash cord, which is just this. It's kind of like clothesline, but this is what all the old houses originally had on there. A bonus that we come across with this is that the window weight pockets had these access covers. We don't always find that with these old windows, and we have to either take off the interior or the exterior trim to access the window weight pockets, but in this case that's a real plus. It's going to make it easy. And here's the window weights. They're different, obviously different sizes. These are really heavy lead, and you can see they've got numbers on them. So we got a 6 and an 8. So just sized for the different weights of the wood sashes. And so we'll reattach the wood sashes. David's out there making new center parting beads, but then we'll go ahead and reattach the new wood sashes with the braided sash cord, run it over the pulleys, attach it to the window weights, and get these all operating smoothly once again. We're also going to add some weather stripping down along the bottom here. This was added at some point, but we're going to do a rubber bulb seal here, and then another where the 2 windows meet in the center, and that's going to make it as weather tight as these old windows can be, but they're going to be far cry better than what they were previously.